Hello friends, welcome to Just Top 10. Perseverance, the centerpiece of NASA's $2.7 billion Mars 2020 mission, touched down inside the red planet's Jezero crater on February 18, 2021. Once it's fully up and running, the car-sized robot will search for evidence of past microbial life and collect several dozen samples for future return to Earth, among other ambitious tasks. NASA's Perseverance rover isn't just exploring the red planet. The life-hunting robot will also help a little bit of Mars make it to Earth a decade or so from now, if all goes according to plan. Perseverance is about 10 feet long, not including its robotic arm, 9 feet wide, and 7 feet tall, about 3 meters long, 2.7 meters wide and 2.2 meters tall. At 2,260 pounds, 1,025 kilograms, Perseverance weighs less than a compact car. Like Curiosity, Perseverance has a rectangular body, 6 wheels, a robotic arm, a drill for sampling rocks, cameras and scientific instruments. But those instruments are quite different than the gear aboard Curiosity, because the two rovers have divergent goals. Curiosity's main task involves assessing the habitability of ancient Mars, whereas Perseverance will hunt for evidence of ancient Martians. Perseverance also made history by taking the first audio recording of sound on Mars. A snippet of noise was made available that includes the sound of 5-mile-per-hour winds blowing through the Martian landscape. Here is the list of top 10 audio sound recorded by Perseverance rover on Mars in 2021. Top 10 audio sound recorded by Perseverance rover on Mars in 2021. On number 10, Curiosity rover landing as the clip would sound on Mars.
Touchdown confirmed. We're safe on Mars.
On number 9, Perseverance essay excerpt as it would sound on Mars.
We are a species of explorers, and we will meet many setbacks on the way to Mars. However, we can persevere. We, not as a nation, but as humans, will not give up. The human race will always persevere into the future.
On number 8, Voyager golden record as it would sound on Mars.
Hello from the children of planet Earth.
On number 7, ocean waves as it would sound on Mars. On number 6, truck backing up as it would sound on Mars. On number 5, bicycle bell as it would sound on Mars. On number 4, in flight, Perseverance rover's interplanetary sound. On number 3, Perseverance rover's SuperCam records wind on Mars. On number 2, first acoustic recording of laser shots on Mars. On number 1, sounds of Perseverance Mars rover driving. Thank you guys for watching this video.
We hope you liked this video. If you want to suggest us any topic, please comment below in comment box.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.
Take care of yourselves, friends and family members. Bye for now.
Adios amigos.